I am connecting this server to our CMD. నా వాయిస్ క్లారిటీగా ఉంది కదా? ఓకే. So first we need to install Git, because we have some topics about Git. We'll complete that one first. Install git -y for installing Git package. Git package install. How to check package install or not? Git -v. Now I am creating one file that is nothing but venkat.html. So how to add to Git? So here see, not a Git repository. How to add the Git repository? Git init is a command, first command of the Git. Now add again, git add venkat.html. Git status. Now the file is in tracked mode. Git commit is a command to commit the file by using the id v1, which file? venkat.html file. So git show, it is showing the, and git log and git branch. Okay, yesterday we know about this up to here. What I am doing again, touch maunika.html, git add maunika.html, git commit space -m maunika.html, git show and git log. We have two commits here. Sorry, I didn't give here any commit, so it is taken the maunika.html commit id v1 is a commit. Now I have two commits here. I want to pick only one commit. We'll go to our nodes here. I want to pick certain commit here, because of you are the developer, you are writing a code, but for services we are writing code. Wait, I will use the paint for clarity. So developer 1 is writing some code and developer 2 and developer 3. Here we'll give the names for developer 1, developer 2, developer 3. We have code in this one. Now service is movie service. Let us assume this is a Paytm application. So service is movies 1, another service is train ticket, another service is bus ticket. here have totally 3 developers writing, and they are writing for each and every servers. One is movies, one is train, and another one is bus. So here we did commits for each and every. Commit 1, commit 1, commit 2, and commit 3. Commit 3. So here commit 1, commit 2, commit 3, each and every file have 3 commits are there. Now I want to
commit means commit means and commit and
commit is nothing but here, wait, I will show. We are in Git, okay, we are storing the file in this commit. This file is there. Suppose this file maunika.html file is for train application, train service. In this train service we are going to store in this commit, means we are storing the Git. In the Git we are storing in this commit. It is not directly stored in the Git. We used to commit to store. Understand? Yeah. See here, commit definition is there. Yeah, to store the index.html file into Git. Okay. Yeah. So here we have some commits are there, but I want to work on the train, means developer 2 is ready to work on the train application, train service, but we have 3 commits here in Git. How to pick the certain commit here? Cherry pick. Cherry pick is a topic to pick specific commit on the Git. Yesterday up to here completed, right? Yeah, up to here completed. Git stats also completed. Now cherry pick, getting files from specific commit. Okay, getting files from specific commit. Here we have 2 commits, git cherry pick commit id. See, it is going to pick here in, means on master branch. Check, we are in master branch. It is going to pick the what we are giving the commit id, that is going to pick here. If you want to pick by the commit id first 6 letters also fine. So here see, git show, we have commit, and git log, we have 2 commits. Git show, here file is not visible, right? By using the show command the file is visible here. Okay, the file is visible here by using the git show commit id. And git restore, use it to untrack the file. So here touch file, git add file, git status, this is the tracker file. So here git restore is using to untrack the file. Git restore our file name is file git status. See, before it is in tracked, now it is came to untracked. Now git add again. See, git status, now it is in the file. Now see, git will copy this one. Yeah, file is in tracked mode. How to untracked? Here file name, it is came to untracked. Again check the git status. Understand up to here, right? Only two topics, one is git cherry pick and another one is git restore. The git restore will work to untrack the file. While going to real time, it will use each and everything command in the DevOps. So git is completed. Now we'll enter into Maven. So Maven is a tool, means Maven is a tool. This tool is why we are using the Maven tool here. Why? This tool we are using for creating artifacts. So what are the artifacts here? Artifacts is nothing but .jar, .var, .ar. So again, what is the .jar, .var, .ar? Here we have code in some file. We able to deploy the code from this file, sir? My answer is no. Why? We are not able to deploy the file directly to our DevOps tool, whatever it is in the server. That's why we are creating the artifacts. Artifacts is nothing but jar var files. So file is converted to var file. Why we are converting to the var file? Var file is indicate to web application. Okay, web server means web application or web server, that is nothing but login. Jar file jar .jar is a backend is used to deploy. Backend means application. application. Mainly Maven is a tool we used to call as build tool. By using Maven, we are going to build our code. The code is going to create our war file, jar file, whatever it is, air file. Understand what is the Maven tool here? Yeah. Now I am installing Maven by using m command here. Install Maven -y. Enter. Here see, Maven is a build tool, project management tool, adding dependencies to code. Dependencies are package required to run the code. Maven is to manage the dependencies for code. And the Maven is Apache Software Foundation, started in 2004. The dependency is Java 1.8.0. For Maven, we need to install Java 1.8.0 also. It is free and open source. Artifacts. It is final product of the source code is artifact. Code build test artifact. Jar var here. Compile Java class jar is backend. Var is front end and backend means mainly we will use it to web application. The pom.xml file contains information about the project and dependency of the code, and the targets artifacts will store on this folder. Installation at a time will install here Java git -y, Java Maven git. Already Maven Java installed. Now it already Maven git installed. Now it is installing git. So sorry. Already Java is not installed. Maven git is installed. Now it is installing Java. After install, we'll check the versions. So finally it is installed. Git -v mvn -v to check the Maven version, Java version to check the Java version. So 3 is installed here. But if we'll check the package, Java is in some different package. How to convert our normal package here? Here one command is there, update -alternatives Java. If we'll give this command, it is going to update 1.8.0. See here, it is showing option which command it is, update -alternatives Java. Here it is, update -alternatives -config Java. So here Java 17 is there and 1.8.0 is there, but we want for Maven 1.8.0. Now check again. Java version. Version. Check with only version. Yeah. Now it's see here 1.8.0 version came. Now installation is completed. Now what we'll do, see, if we'll go and check here, we have Jenkins Java project is there in our repository. This is a project, one of the small web application project we are going to build to create the artifact by using this code. In this pom.xml file is there, that's why we are using this one. So here copy this one, we know already how to clone the code from git to server. Git clone URL, Java project is there, jenkins.java, we are in Jenkins Java project. Now just go through these commands what I mentioned in our notes. See, it is a command to execute the task. First, compiling the code, mvn compile, compiling the code is correct or not, it is going to check the compiling the code. The code, it is going to compile the whole code from starting to bottom in the pom.xml file. So build is success means the code is good. Now next, testing the code here. After testers did the test, again we are going to test for our confirmation. So test also completed. Now again mvn package is going to create var and jar file here. So here check ls, it is showing the pom.xml and target.xml, but I want to show the tree structure. Command is not found. Why it is not found? We need to install the tree structure here. Now give the tree command here. So here see, var file is created just now, right? Var file is created here. By using this var file, now install means to copy the var file to our local repo. Why we are copying the local repo? Because of .m2 file is there. Here if you will see the it's ls hyphen lart source target cd target. So here see our Netflix var file is there. Now we are going to install .m2 folder, because of we need to copy the local repo. While giving this command, it is going to install the Maven repository, default Maven repository. See, again give the tree command here. For the backup, we install that one. So our var file is there. Now generate the var file here by using deploy command. mvn deploy, it is going to generate the var file. It will take some couple of minutes. It will take at least 1 to 2 minutes. So here see tree command, we created var file. Now I am going to clean each and everything here and again will create the same. It will take some couple of minutes. Will give the tree command, nothing is there, our jar file is var file is deleted. Now we'll go and create the same commands, check the tree package what we took from GitHub, the GitHub test Java web applications are there. If we'll go and check see here source, in this source main test Java home is there, right? Test Java in main, in this main folder like this. Now again we'll go same mvn compile, each and everything will check, already we done. So again I am checking from starting each and everything. Now give the tree, some files are added, generated, sources, annotations, Maven status, compile, plugins, compile, some files are added for this one in the target. Now mvn plan, mvn plan is not there. mvn test, I forgot to give, I am using this Terraform commands, Terraform test is there, that commands are using. So here again some files are added, surefire reports, some test classes added here when we did the test. mvn package when we give MVN package, the Netflix war file is created here. Before it is not created. When we give the package, it is created here. Now install command is going to copy the repository war file into Maven repository. That repository is nothing but M2. M2 is the default repository. It will not visible default by because of it is default repository. MVN install here. Again check the same files are there now. See, again same files are there. Now final command is deploy or MVN clean package to use it to generate the war file. Check, all files are generated here. Now this file is ready to deploy in our tools like Kubernetes or Tomcat, like this. That topic is next topic. I will show. Up to here it is complete. See, build tools, C is makefile, and dotted is visual code, and Java, Maven, and Gradle. Means and Gradle is what is that? Those are the tools for alternative to Maven. Maven and Gradle. The Gradle is for Python. .NET is for visual code, and C is making the file. Those are the alternatives for Maven. And Maven is producial and is declarative, and Maven used by the pom.xml, and ant is used by build.xml. Maven lifecycle and don't have lifecycle. Maven used by the plugins and used by the scripts. And plugins is nothing but a small software can be used without installing tool. Plug for using by using the instead of tool, we are using the plugins here. Understand? If we'll go and check here, ls we have code in pom.xml. This is the code in pom.xml. If we'll deploy, it will come of my name, and that is nothing but a Netflix code. The login will come my name. If you have any doubts, ask me. అసలు మ్యావన్ టూల్ ఎందుకని అర్థమైందండి? హలో వెంకటేష్, అర్థమైందా?
ఓకే బ్రో.
ఓకే ఓకే. హరిప్రియ గారు
ఈ
ఒక 10
వార్
మినిట్స్
ఫైల్స్
ముందే జాయిన్ అయ్యాను.
చెప్పండి.
ఈ
10
వార్
మినిట్స్
ఫైల్స్
ముందే
గట్టా
జాయిన్ అయ్యాను
వెయిట్ వెయిట్
ఆఫీస్.
వెయిట్ ఇద్దరు ఒకసారి చెప్తున్నారు ఒకరితో.
వార్ ఫైల్స్ గట్టా ఇవి రియల్ టైమ్ లో యూజ్ అవుతాయి బ్రో. వార్
రియల్
ఫైల్
టైంలో
జార్
మనకి
ఫైల్స్
ఇట్ల ద్వారానే కదా డిప్లాయ్ చేసేది.
మామూలుగా ఏదన్నా ఒక యాప్ అప్లికేషన్ యూజ్ చేయడానికి
వార్
ఈ
ఫైల్,
మేవన్ టూల్ యూజ్ చేయాలి.
వార్ ఫైల్ అని, ఇయర్ ఫైల్ అని,
అది
మెయిన్లీ
యాప్
జార్ ఫైల్, వార్ ఫైల్
అప్లికేషన్ కి
యూజ్ చేస్తాం.
ఓకే అప్లికేషన్ కి ఏ విధంగా యూజ్ అవుతుంది బ్రో ఇది ఈ మేవన్ ఇది
ఇప్పుడు ఏంటంటే
ఈ టూల్?
మన కోడ్ని డైరెక్ట్గా డిప్లాయ్ చేయలేం. ఐ మీన్ డైరెక్ట్గా రిలీజ్ చేయలేం. అప్లికేషన్ చేయలేం, దాన్ని అప్లికేషన్ క్రియేట్ చేయలేం. సో
అవును.
ఈ ఫైల్స్ ద్వారానే మనం డిప్లాయ్ చేయగలుగుతాం అనమాట.
ఓకే అప్లికేషన్ డిప్లాయ్ చేయడానికి.
సో just drop your message, Monica, if you have any problem. If you see in our organization, in our office, you are using the jar file, right? UPI jar files are there. Yeah, we are using that UPI jar files for transaction IDs and all. Inside that one we are going to deploy. That deployment is happen, the segregating and all. If anything error is there, it will shown in the, I mean, if the transaction will fail, it is shown in the jar file while we are going the deploy. Okay, Haripriya చెప్పండి.
ఏం లేదు వెంకట్, నార్మల్గా మాట్లాడు.
అర్థమైందా?
నేను ఒక 10 మినిట్స్ ముందే జాయిన్ అయ్యాను.
ఓకే
మీరు ఏ టాపిక్ చెప్తున్నారు అని అర్థం అవ్వలేదు.
ఓకే
నిన్నటి కంటిన్యూషన్ ఈరోజు?
నిన్న కంటిన్యూషన్ అనమాట.
ఓకే ఓకే.
ఒకసారి వీడియో చూడండి, మీకు అర్థమవుతుంది. ఏమన్నా అర్థం అవ్వకపోతే నన్ను అడగను మళ్ళీ.
ఓకే ఓకే
ఓకే, వెరీ ఈజీ టాపిక్. మళ్ళీ మీకు రెండోసారి ఎక్స్ప్లెయిన్ చేశాను కదా. సెకండ్ టైం మీరు ఎక్స్ప్లెయిన్ చేసినప్పుడు మీరు కాల్లోనే ఉన్నారు కదా.
ఎప్పుడు?
లాస్ట్లో ఫస్ట్ కా నుంచి మనం ఏమన్ టెస్ట్ కా నుంచి రన్ చేసాం కదా కమెంట్స్.
అవునవును.
అక్కడ నుంచి ఫస్ట్ అదంతా చెప్పి లాస్ట్లో చెప్పాను అనమాట. మళ్ళీ నెక్స్ట్ రెండోసారి చూపించాను మళ్ళీ.
ఓకే ఓకే
ఓకే, ఇట్ ఈస్ వెరీ ఈజీ టాపిక్. అగైన్ విల్ డిస్కస్ ఆన్ జెన్కిన్స్ అండ్ యాన్సిబుల్. మళ్ళీ మనం రెండోసారి మూడోసారి మనం చూస్తాం ఇవి ఫ్యూచర్లో.
ఓకే షూర్.
ఓకే, యా. ఓకే, టుడే లెట్స్ హౌ వాజ్ ద క్లాస్ టుడే? అండర్స్టాండ్ అండ్ ఆల్ ఫైన్, రైట్? Yeah, shall we leave for today? Okay, fine. Bye, good night.
Bye, good night, Pankaj.
Yeah, tomorrow we'll go through the Ansible.
Okay.
Good night.
Yeah, good night.
Yeah, bye-bye.